Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make ham and egg fried rice or ข้าวผัดแฮม Today I'm doing the ham fried rice because I have the leftover ham from the holiday. So I'm going to use about 1 cup the ham and I'm going to cut them to the cube, the bite size. Okay, I'm going to cut to the square side, and it's up to you if you want to cut it big or small. And I know for the holiday, a lot of you guys always have leftover ham, so that's why we do the leftover the ham fried rice today. So you don't have to be boring. So just eat the piece of ham, so we can do something else with the ham. Okay, this is all the ham that I just cut it to the cube. Okay, I'm gonna set it on the side. Okay, you can use less ham or you can use more ham. It's all up to you. Okay, now I turn on the high heat, and this will be quick and easy recipe. Okay, I use the 2 tablespoons garlic oil. You can use just a vegetable oil, but I use the garlic oil. Alright, and I'm going to just a second. When the oil hot, I just going to add some egg. I use 3 eggs today. My egg a little bit small, so I use 3 of them. But if you like more egg, you can add some more too. Okay, I will use 3. Okay, I'm just going to wait just a second. About let's say 20 minutes for the egg to cook a little bit. I say I'm going to wait 20 minutes for the egg, but actually only 20 seconds. Okay, now I'm going to beat the egg yolk. This recipe will be very easy. Everybody can make this recipe. It's only gonna take you about 5 minutes to make this recipe, so everybody can do this. Alright, when the egg start cooking, now I'm going to add the ham, the leftover ham that we just cut to the bite size, or the size that you want. Okay, I put a lot of ham because we have a lot left over. Give them the good mix. It's already the smell from the ham and for the garlic oil. Okay, and for the vegetable today, I use a mixed vegetable. It's a frozen one. Of course, the fresh one gonna be better, but this is whatever you have in your refrigerator, and it's easy recipe. So I'm going to keep the vegetable and everything mixed and cooked well together. Okay, and the frozen vegetable is only cooked very easy. Okay, now I'm going to add the rice. For rice today, the best rice to use is the leftover rice. I use Jasmin Rice. I use 4 cups. Okay, the rice go in. We use the leftover rice so because they not stick together. Okay, let's the wok a little bit small for me right now. Okay. Right, this is a 4 cups of rice, so the wok a little bit small for me right now. I'm going to give them a very good mix. Okay, I'm gonna keep on mixing because my wok a little bit small right now, so I kind of mix slowly. Okay, but we use some leftover rice because they're not stick together. If you use rice that you just cook, sometimes they easy for you to get the snowball, or all the rice is not gonna mix well with the soy sauce or all the ingredients. So that's why we like to use the leftover rice. Okay, after I mix all the rice and everything well together already, now I'm gonna add the seasoning. So I'm going to use the half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon sea salt. Okay, and I'm going to use the 2 tablespoons soy sauce. Okay, after you add some soy sauce or your favorite sauce, If you like spicy, you can add some sriracha sauce too. And now after I add the seasoning sauce, I'm going to mix everything well together. Mix the rice. I want all the rice covered with all the soy sauce. Okay. Like I promised you in the beginning, it's really easy recipe. So it'll take you about just 5 minutes. That's all. And the last ingredient I'm going to add in here is green onion. I slice them, I chop them. Okay, I use 2 green onion. Put all the green onion, give them the last mix. That's it, all we done. That's it, very nice and easy. Our leftover ham making fried rice. Okay, and for my personal, you can eat just like this, but for my personal, I like to add lamb on my fried rice. So I have the pieces of lamb, so I'm going to squeeze some lamb on top. I like how like a little bit of refreshing from lamb, so I always like to add them. I going to add the white pepper, a little white pepper on the top also. Okay, but this is just the option. Or you can add the hot sauce or more soy sauce. It's all up to you, and trust me, it's going to be better than take out that you make your own fried rice. Okay, there's a big bite and still very hot. Look at the smoke coming out. I hope it's not gonna be too hot for me. It should be okay. Yeah, it's still hot. But the ham, the leftover ham, really change your simple fried rice to be a lot better. Somebody want fried rice too. Okay, and my personal lamb and white pepper, it even make it a lot better too. Okay, I cannot wait to finish this bowl or share this bowl with the cameraman. Let me know if you make this fried rice. Just post me or send me the picture. I love to see that. And thank you so much guys for watching. If you like this video, if you like this recipe, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.